Need to fund your Payoneer balance for business or personal use? Here's a clear step-by-step walkthrough on how to deposit money securely and legally. First, you have to sign into your Payoneer account. Go to Payoneer.com and log in using your credentials. Step 2, click Add Funds. On your account dashboard, locate the balance section for the currency you want. Click on Add Funds. If you don't see it, your account may not be eligible for direct deposits. Step 3, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll see a guide appear. Click I want to add funds, then tap Get Started to proceed. Step 4, submit extra information if asked. Payoneer may ask for additional ID or business details for verification. Approval typically takes up to 3 business days. Step 5, access receiving accounts. Once approved, go to Get Paid, then Receiving Accounts. Toggle the option Only Accounts for adding funds to view eligible deposit accounts. Step 6, choose the right currency account. Pick the currency account you want to fund. For example, US dollars or euros. Click View Details to get the bank account info needed for the transfer. Step 7, make the bank transfer. Use your bank's online banking or visit a local branch to send money. Use the exact bank account info shown in your Payoneer account. Step 8, confirm name match. Ensure that the sender's name matches your Payoneer profile name. Payoneer supports both domestic and international bank transfers. Step 9, wait for funds to arrive. Your transfer time depends on your bank. Once processed, the funds will appear in your Payoneer balance automatically. Important reminders: only deposit funds into Payoneer provided receiving accounts. Never share your Payoneer login or use unofficial methods. Check Payoneer's fees and limits page to understand any charges involved. Legal and YouTube disclaimer: this video strictly follows YouTube's terms of service and does not promote any unofficial or risky practices. It is created purely for educational purposes, aligns with Payoneer's policies, and follows standard banking rules and compliance laws. And that's how you deposit money into your Payoneer account in 2025, safely, legally, and with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next guide.